Hello, everybody. I hope you're all doing good today. Today, we're going to get right into it and talk about what to do when you're having an off day. These are real tips and tricks because we all know that not every day is going to be a great day. We're not going to feel on top of the clouds every single day. So, what are some of the things we can do to keep our manifestations coming through and try to keep on at the highest level we can individually? Like I said, not every day is going to be a great day. That's just reality. We're not going to feel like jumping up and down every single minute of the day. So, here's some tips. If you're able to, take a hot shower. Maybe just do your affirmations in the shower. There's powerfulness in the water. Water is powerful, every drop of it. Look at the ocean, how powerful it is. We can say our affirmations and adjust our attitude in the shower. If you're able to, take a nap. 15, 20 minutes, half an hour, however long you feel you need to readjust your attitude. Some days we just don't feel like jumping out of bed. Not all of us can take naps all the time, but if you're able to, sneak off and take a nap. If you're able to, go watch a movie. I suggest The Secret. The Secret is a good one that I like to watch. It ups your vibe, but you may have another one. You may have something else that you would like to watch that just makes you laugh and feel good and uplifted. Do what makes you feel good and uplifted. And that will adjust your attitude to a more grateful state of mind. Go for a walk if you're able to. Get outside. If you're in a wheelchair like me, just go outside and sit there. Be grateful for the birds and the trees and the sunshine, and maybe it's half sunshine, half clouds. Be grateful for the clouds. Do something to just redirect what you're thinking about. You could also think about something that makes you happy, even if it was a long time ago. Maybe it was a special date. Maybe it's your children or your grandchildren, or something your husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend did for you. Think on those things. But just remember that it's okay to have a down day. It doesn't mean that you're just crazy off track or anything like that. We all have down days. I do. Not every day is going to be an upbeat, jumping up and down kind of day. Just encourage yourself. If nobody's encouraging you, do something for yourself that is encouraging to you. Everybody is individual, so it won't be something that I may like. It may be something just weird. It may be go buy a donut, go take yourself out to a cup of coffee. Whatever it is, unique to you. You are unique, you're divinely loved, and you're favored. Just remember that. And we are human. We're going to feel down sometimes. And I know I go through it. And a lot of people are battling depression. I have had it for years, battled it for years. So it doesn't really matter so much as just knowing not to be down on yourself. Just look for the next best feeling thought. If you're way down and you're just fed up with everything, start with what feels good, the higher thought than you're having when you're down. When you're down, you're pretty down. So the best you can do is reach for a higher thought. Does a cup of coffee, the thought of a cup of coffee, feel better? Okay, start there. Then does having a little bit of breakfast make you feel better? We'll start there and keep going, keep reaching for the better thought, and you will eventually come out of your slump. With that, I say God bless you all. Have a fantastic day, and know that it's okay if you have an off day. We all have them, so don't beat yourself up over it. Just get back on track and reach for something better. Reach for a better thought and a better feeling. With that, I love you all. I appreciate each and every one of you. God bless you, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.